Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something truly special for you. The best indoor motion sensor light switch on the market, the Lutron Maestro motion sensor switch. If you're tired of fumbling for light switches in the dark or wasting energy when you forget to turn the lights off, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in and explore the fantastic features of the Lutron Maestro motion sensor switch. First off, this motion sensor switch is designed to make your life easier and more energy efficient. It's perfect for various rooms and spaces, from the laundry room to the garage, and it's incredibly versatile. Installation is a breeze. You don't need to be an electrician to set this up. Just turn off the power at the circuit breaker, remove the existing switch, and connect the wires. It's that simple. One standout feature is the XCT sensing technology. It detects even the finest motions, like typing at a desk or reading, ensuring that your lights won't turn off inadvertently while you're still in the room. But here's where it gets really smart. The Maestro switch also features ambient light detection. It senses daylight in the room and learns your preferred light level over time. So, if it's already bright, your lights will stay off. Now, let's talk about customization. You can program your lights to turn off after 1, 5, 15, or 30 minutes when you leave a room. It's a great energy-saving feature that ensures you're not wasting electricity. If you want to meet Title 24 requirements, the Maestro switch can be programmed as a vacancy-only sensor. It will only turn off the lights when you leave the room. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This switch works with any bulb type, including CFL and LED, so you can use it with your favorite lighting. When it comes to quality and durability, Lutron is a brand you can trust. These switches feel robust, and you can expect them to last for a long time. One of the biggest advantages is energy efficiency. With the Maestro switch, you'll see a significant reduction in your energy bills. It automatically turns off the lights when a room is unoccupied, saving you money and helping the environment. To sum it up, the Lutron Maestro motion sensor switch is a game-changer for any home. It brings convenience, energy savings, and a touch of modern technology to your lighting setup. Say goodbye to fumbling for switches in the dark and hello to a smarter, more efficient way to light your spaces. That's it for today's review of the Lutron Maestro motion sensor switch. If you want to simplify your lighting setup and save on energy costs, this is the product for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.